Hey guys, hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is this girl, it is that girl, Tameeza. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified once I drop another bang, bang, bang. A returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love. Your girl appreciates it. Today's video is just about what I planned my life to be at 25 and what my life is at 25. Like right now, I'm 25. My 25th birthday was February 4th. Most of you can relate to it. It's possible we have something in common. While doing that, I decided to do makeup because I also want to do another video. Without further ado, let's just jump, like we're jumping right into the video. I started thinking of planning my life when I was in SS3, entered SS3 15 and I finished 16 years. I started planning my life at 16 and the plan I had for myself was at 16 I'll be done with secondary school. At 16 I will enter uni, 4 years course. So at 20 I'll be done with university. 21 I would serve, I'll be done with service. By 22 I would have gotten a job, I will start working, I will have been making my money. At 23, 24 I will still be, living life, enjoying my youth stage, enjoying my youth age. And at 25 that I would be married. I was so sure I would be married at 25. God, I don't even know who gave me the assurance of getting married by 25 years, but I was so sure that I was going to get married at 25 years. Whenever we get to talk about our life in school and how we want it to be, when we were talking about the university you want to go, then I knew I was going to go to a private school, which I did. When I was in secondary school, I always knew I was going to travel, but I never knew I was going to want to stay in abroad. I always knew I was going to travel because my mom was into traveling, but I never knew I was going to, like want to plan my life outside Nigeria. I never pictured my life outside Nigeria when I was still in secondary school for some reason which I never knew. When I entered university, 100 level, 200 level, I was not still having the thought of, planning my life outside Nigeria. I was always, I'm going to get married in Nigeria, give birth and all. The thing started changing when I was in 300 level, when I started processing my travel for summer. While I was in school, the reality of no job in Nigeria hits me so hard, but I always knew I was going to go abroad for my master's. When I finished 400 level, I served, but initially I didn't want to serve, but due to one or two things, visa processing, how hard it is to get visa, so I later served. I finished when I was like 21 and 22. I traveled to Cyprus for my master's. Imagine me planning my life and this, and at 20 I'm still like not kind of jobless, I'm still jobless. I'm still jobless. I'm still trying to, survive, not to talk of getting married. So sure of myself that at 25 years I'm going to get married. But at 25 years, a girl is still jobless. A girl is just trying to survive. And at 25 years, a girl doesn't even have a boyfriend to talk of. I'm not making this video to tell you guys, oh, how I'm struggling, this thing or something. What I'm just saying is, especially for my people in Nigeria, for people still starting in Nigeria, if you are in secondary school or if you are waiting for your JAMB results or you are waiting for your results to get into your uni, into your desired uni, please and please and please, for God's sake, learn to do something. Learn some kind of hand job, like some kind of work or something that can, survive you for some times and that you can still feed on, because not everybody have the opportunity of, traveling around, or not everybody have the opportunity of traveling. And to be sincere, we're always thinking the grass is greener on the other side, but you get to see the color of the grass when you cross the other side. I read one thing like that. One guy said pure water was like 5 naira when it was earning 50,000. Pure water is 20 naira and it's still earning 50,000. You can imagine. I'm just here to talk about, what you plan. You might plan something and, something else might just come up, because people in abroad, people that grew up in abroad, that did their youth, their childhood in abroad, had more opportunity than we that were just traveling abroad. When I was in uni, still collecting my own parents' money, I have few people in UK that was already making their money. Nigeria isn't like that for us. They started working like when they were in high school, but in Nigeria sef, for you to even get any kind of work, even for your own internship sef, that it's still school that is telling you to go for internship. Some people no wants to still apply, employ you based on one or two things, which I don't know why, because that country really needs to change. That country really needs to change. I'm done with my look, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, because me, I love it. I know it's like a very short video anyways, but that's what I planned my life to be, and that's what eventually my life is at 25 right now. Jobless, trying to survive, trying to, I'm not even thinking of marriage anytime soon now, because I've not even gotten myself together, not to talk of getting married. Yeah, let me just know in the comment section below what and how you planned your life to be at a certain stage, and what your life is at that particular time. Is it what you planned for? Is it something you didn't plan for? Let me just change my outfit so I can do my outro. Hey guys, I've changed my outfit as you can see. I just came here to tell you guys that it is not everything you plan that works. Sometimes it's for the best. If you watch to this point, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and also smash the like button. When you do that, YouTube tends to spread my video. Like we say on this channel, stay well, stay awesome, and most importantly, always be the best of yourself. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video or my previous ones. Anyone, I'll definitely see you guys in this. What is